Hey guys, I'm Kunal. Welcome to the channel. So on the one hand, companies like Airtel and Jio are bringing 5G in the Indian market, and on the other hand, Manu Kumar Jain, global VP of Xiaomi, replying on a Facebook post. 5G is 3-4 years away, and by the time 5G comes, you would have changed your phone 2 to 3 times. So why to pay extra for something which is not even in the market? Also, there is a bonus question in the end for you people, so stay tuned. So before we jump into the reason to miss 5G, first let's quickly understand how does 5G works. 5G, as the name says, is the fifth generation of the cellular networks. 5G is divided into two. First is the low band, also known as sub-6, and the other one is the high band, also known as millimeter wave. Imagine a blanket and a boy on the bed for better understanding, in which the blanket means for the low band network and the boy means for the country. Okay, a blanket covers all the parts of the body. Alternatively, I can say that a low band network covers all the parts of the country, and it delivers speeds that are same as we get in the 4G network, but with better latency and reliability. Talking about the other band, which is the high band or millimeter wave, is the interesting one, which delivers speeds of 1 Gbps or even more. It delivers lightning fast speed, but the only downside is it covers a very short areas, particularly a few meters around the cellular towers. Now let's dive into the reasons, shall we? First up, proper 5G rollout will take some time. The 5G infrastructure has not really progressed in the last 2 years. We Indians have to wait a long time for the network to become reality. Even after the 5G launches in India, the rollout itself will take several years. Remember the time when 4G was launched? It was only available in the certain states in the beginning and took a long time to be available across all the regions. Next up, your 5G phone will be outdated when the network finally arrives. If you buy a cheap 5G phone or even a mid-range phone, by the time 5G network finally arrives in India, the phone will be outdated. What happens is technology and hardware are evolving every day, almost every week. So in the next 2 or 3 years, the phone will have old hardware and it will not give the same 5G speed that you expected. So I would suggest you don't waste money on 5G devices that are going to storm the Indian markets in the coming months. Okay, so the next up is cheap 5G phone will compromise on other specification. To keep a low cost on cheap 5G phone, manufacturer will tend to use less powerful hardware, lower camera quality and smaller batteries. And talking about the batteries, the 5G is hungry for battery when it is enabled. So instead of wasting money on cheap 5G phone, you can buy a good affordable 4G phone with better specification. Also, cheap 5G phone will most probably unusable in the next 2 or 3 years. That means you would have to spend more money on another phone. Next up is 5G mobile plans will be expensive initially. 5G mobile plans will cost more than the 4G plans, at least initially. The prices will come down only after the widespread adoption of the technology, and again, it will take a long time. The last and the most important, 5G in your city. Don't expect that 5G will come to your city very soon. If you live in metro cities, that's the other thing. I am talking about the small cities. Because the telecom companies will test 5G in the big cities like Mumbai and Delhi and all that. And even after the companies are finished with the testing for a year, it will take another year to bring workable 5G in your areas. So here we are with the bonus question, should you buy a 5G phone? If you live in India, buying a 5G phone in 2021 is not the best idea because it will take 3 years for a workable 5G, and by the time 5G improves, even 4G speed will get better. And also, the 5G devices right now are very expensive. Wait for some time. In future, the 5G devices will get lot more cheaper. Just like 4G phone you are getting for 10,000 rupees. So basically, to put it very simple, do not buy phone just for 5G. If you are looking to upgrade your phone's camera, performance and battery, then it's fine, go for it. But for 5G, not recommended. So this was all about 5G and I will see you in the next one.